Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So let's look at the specs real quick. We have the 64GB version with 4GB of RAM, and the cameras on this device are 3 cameras on the back, a triple camera setup with 25, 8 and 5 megapixels, while the front facing camera is 16 megapixel. The version of this smartphone is with dual SIM, Southeast Asian. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So we have a clear case and the usual paperwork, original lock guide, warranty card, quick start guide, etc. We also have this for Samsung Pay, a cashback and reward kind of. Okay, now this is the clear TPU case, the gel skin case. We have the device itself, and let's see, we have the standard Samsung earphones. We have the Type-C cable and the SIM ejection tool and the fast charging adapter. Okay, so let me just put everything back to the box and let's go to the device itself. Let's remove the logo and see, we have infinity display, on screen fingerprint, just like the A50. Let's power up the device. We have the triple camera setup on the back, the buttons on the right side. We have a headphone jack, the Type-C port and the speaker. Okay, so I will skip everything and go straight to the menu. Okay, now everything is done. Let's finish and go to the menu. Now let me just turn off the auto rotate and look at the toggles. The dark mode looks pretty good on a Samsung Galaxy with an AMOLED panel. Now let me just go to settings real quick, go to about device and see the software information. Now the One UI version is 1.5 while the Android version is Android 9. Now let's check the software update. The version on this device is from 1 August of 2019. So let's open the camera and look at the video, look at the resolution, the video size. We have a video recording up to Full HD, so yeah, even the front video size is up to Full HD. I like to keep my grid on 3x3, so yeah, turn on the watermark, so when you do a photo it will say that is shot on the Galaxy A30s. Now, a quick thing before I end the video, just look at the feature here. I like that they included the video wallpaper on the A30s. So yeah, this was the video. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.